Yes, a new short form factor of video on learning LightBurn. No bull. Let's get straight to it. Short and concise in under 5 minutes. Let's go. Hello everybody, Andy here, and thank you for joining me on another quick tip on LightBurn. So you're seeing the thumbnail. What do I mean? It hasn't got a built-in processor. It hasn't got built-in spell check. I'm going to show you two things this afternoon. Firstly here, look, I've made a sign here. I'm all excited about getting it burnt, and I haven't realised that I've got spelling mistakes in there. So, you know, to save not wasting wood, I'm going to show you two ways that you can edit your text once you've got it up. So make sure you've got the select tool selected. Click on the text and then right click on your mouse and drop down to edit text shape. When you press that, it gives you an easy way to edit the text looking somewhat like a text editor, like Word or whatever word processor you use. Here you can change the font, you can change the size, you can edit the space, you can change how it's aligned. But I'll let you play with those and discover that. But what I want to do is spell check, because I know there's spelling mistakes because I put them there. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to swipe the text, right click and copy. Then I'm going to open my favourite word processor. I just happen to use Word. Open a new document, right click and paste. Now look at that. All of a sudden my spelling mistakes have been highlighted. So yes, I know that is a spelling mistake, but you can use the built-in spell checker, in my case Word. So now it's looking at the text. So it's highlighted this is probably not correct. It should have an apostrophe. So I'm going to select that. It's picked up year is spelt wrong because I spelled it wrong. So I'm going to select that. Special is wrong. I'm going to select that and I'm going to do that. It didn't pick up this one for some reason, because I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, it should be like that. So now I've got it correct how I feel it should be. I'm going to swipe it, right click and copy. Get out of your word processor, come back in here, swipe it all, right click, paste, and you can see it's put in the correction. I'm going to take out the bottom line because it put in an extra line there, and I'm going to say OK. And now you can see, hopefully that's correct spelling and correct grammar, but please correct me if I'm wrong. So now when you go to burn the job, it's going to be right first time, because we all get excited when we're making new projects. We can all miss a simple typo. So I hope you found two things today. First, click on the text, right click, edit text shape, and then you can edit there. You can play with font. So we just click on the font, we can, well, it's going to be too big, but you can see it's changing. So we can change that one. And that's very easy to do now. So you can still right click, select it because the text hasn't changed. You can still right click, copy, go into Word, paste that in there because the text is the same. It doesn't matter what font it is because that's LightBurn doing the font for you. So hope you've enjoyed the quick 5-minute quick tip in LightBurn. Yes, it hasn't got a built-in word processor, but right clicking and edit text shape is better than having nothing. It's easier than clicking around on the screen. Where are we here? Clicking around on the screen and trying to edit that like that. Because if you have a lot of text on the screen, it can get a little bit messy. Anyway, that's Andy, as ever, wishing you a great afternoon. Continue to make some happy smoke, and hopefully you'll join me in my next video. So that's it, another quick tip video on how to use LightBurn. If you found this video of value, please like the video, and better still, if you subscribe to the channel, I'll be forever grateful. Perhaps you would like to watch some of the videos popping up now. Let me know what you think.